Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Sa Home Depot. So,
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need
guys, ito yung hinahanap namin yung plexiglass. So, ito yung Home Depot. So, yes.
What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate.
So expensive guys. So ito siya guys, yung door. So kailangan yung door dito sa Home Depot. Pardon? What? 300?
This one here,
Yeah.
314.
Oh.
Like this.
Yeah. That is $322
Yeah.
guys.
This one's 314. This is a fixed.
Yeah.
But
314.
is that worth it or should I just use white rock?
Your decision. You know better than me. So, your decision. Busy ang Home Depot ngayon guys. Look. So, ito yung mga orahan sa Home Depot. So, too big? Okay. Your decision. If you're not, white rock is
Well, because I need something this thick.
yeah.
Not this thick, but at least this thick, right?
Yeah.
And I can use 2 layers of white rock to get this thick.
Yeah.
And it's free.
It's true.
As opposed to this is
$314.
$314.
Yeah. Ito yung mga presyo niya guys. Hindi siya makikita. But yung presyo ito expensive. So, ito yung maliit. So, ito yung presyo. So, ito yun. Depende yun sa tick guys. So, sige guys, yung hinahanap namin kasi di ba yung aircon kanina? Yun yung bagong aircon namin. So, kailangan namin ng plexiglass. So, ito siya guys. So, okay. Okay. So, ito guys. Okay. So, Home Depot guys kasi mahal din 300 pesos yung plexiglass. So, meron naman kami materials. Yan lang yung gagamitin na makisipa kami. guys, ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung bago naming air conditioner. Ito yung LG, hindi ito sponsor guys. At ito yung power at cold, dry, and fan. So ito siya. At ito yung para ito yung hours. At high and mid and low. So nakatip pa siya kahapon pumunta yung asawa ko sa Home Depot at doon siya bumili ng air conditioner kasi guys pag maubusan talaga guys, katulad last year naubusan ng air conditioner. So ito tama ito, hindi pa daming bumibili, baka ngayon naubos na. So ito siya, at ito naman yung likod sa LG guys, air conditioner. At hindi pa ito siya na set up guys. Nakikita nyo dami pang tip na kalagay nito. At ito yung guide niya. See, guide na makikita. Manual at saka ito yung remote. So, at ito yung remote. At ito naman yung siya guys. Yung para sa labas. Hindi ba ito siya? Hindi pa siya talaga na-set up guys. So, kasi kahapon pa lang siya nabili. So, at ito naman yung kaya guys. Ito na yung remote basic. So, ito na yung asawa. So, pumunta kami ngayon sa store kasi may kulang pa. So, siya. It's nice kung guys. Sabi maghintay ko sa asawa ko guys. So, bumili lang siya. At ito guys, include pa to siya guys. So, hindi ko alam paano ito. Siya yung mag-assemble na to guys. Hindi naman ako naman. So, yun guys. Yung LG air conditioner natin. Meron na guys. Kasi na namin asawa. So, ito yung power. Meron naman. Hindi guys sa namin asawa. So, yung temperature. So, pili yung dry or fan. So, guys, nasa high.
I'm okay, living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different.